Okay, now let's go over the order by. The order by keyword is used to sort the result set in an ascending or descending order. And the way we do that is we write our query the way we've been writing it, which is select star from our source table, and at the end you will need to write the order by. And when you do that, you need to specify which column do you want to order by or sort by. So in this case, let's go by the birth date. So let's order by birth date. As you can see right now, we have like everything that we see here. It's not in order or ascending or descending. It's all like mixed values. Let's order by this table. So automatically, this column, automatically SQL Server, whenever you specify a column in the order by, it will actually default it to an ascending value. So let's try that. As you can see now, the data is sorted by the date or the birth date from the very old date to the most recent date within the table, 1991, and the very old one is in 1951. So when you write it in this way, you can write it in a different way to where it will return the order of these actually rows in a descending order, meaning it will start from the very new value to the oldest value. And the way to do that, you will need to add DESC, which is a short word for descending or descendant. Descending actually order, sorry. So as you can see now, we have the rows sorted in a way that the very or most recent date is showing on the top, and the very old or first value is showing all the way at the bottom. So this is how you actually sort your data when you return it using any of the SQL queries. There is another way how to do it also. Let's say you want to sort by multiple columns. Let's say we will do it by the gender first, then we will sort by the the date of birth column in a descending order, meaning the highest values will be showing on the top and the lowest values will be showing at the bottom. Let's try that. Okay, so as you can see, the first field that we did actually order by was gender in here, and as you can see, all the values here will be F for female until we reach M for male. Then the second column that we are sorting by is the date of birth, which will be this one. So out of all these females, we will do the sorting of the date of birth in a descending order. As you can see, it will go from the most recent date or the newer date going down to the oldest date. So it keeps going down. 1981, 1980, 79, 78, 76, 75, 74, and so on.